A very good morning, class. So, as you all know, we have already started with our secretarial practice new lesson, that is lesson number 11, which is called as financial market. And we have already finished with what is the meaning of financial market and what are the features of financial market. So, as we saw in the previous video, there are individuals, corporates, and government who may have lot of money ideal with them, and they are looking out to invest their money somewhere in any of the company or government institutions or a startup business. That is why they are called as investors. On the other hand, there are many individual corporates and government waiting that they will get money or finance or capital from somebody. So that is why they are called as borrowers. And these investors and borrowers meet in a market. This possibility, this satisfaction of the need of the borrowers and investors is fulfilled by none other than financial market. So as we saw in financial market, there are various documents which are called as legal agreement between two parties which have a monetary value. For example, securities like shares, bonds, debentures, derivatives, commercial papers, etc. are all traded in financial market. But financial market is really very big. One side there are investors and on the other side there are borrowers. Now, some corporates may require money for short term and some institutions or individuals may require loans for long term. So basically, financial markets are mainly divided into two parts. That is, one part is called as finance for long term, which is known as capital market. And one is which provide loans for short term, that is called as the money market. So class, today our focus will be on studying what are the different types of financial market. This is the topic for today. And we'll be covering type A today. Now what is type A market? Let's see in this particular slide. So this is a diagram which is given in your textbook class. Types of financial market. Financial market is mainly classified into two main markets, that is money and capital. The money market comprises of these 5 types: call money market, certificate of deposit market, treasury bill market, commercial bill market, commercial paper market. Now class, those who are following my videos from the start, in the first lecture itself, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance, I had already explained you all what do you mean by commercial papers, what do you mean by treasury bills or T-bills. Those who have not listened to that video, no need to worry, you can listen to that video again. Or else I'll be explaining all these topics again. We are covering all these 5 topics one by one in our next session. So please do not worry if you have not listened or not followed any concept. Be with me till we finish this particular chapter. And I hope by the end of the chapter, you will find the videos beneficial by clearing a lot of concepts. So basically, our target will be to cover these 5 topics which are included in money market. The capital market, as you can see, is divided into various sections. But as you all know, class, our today's topic is only dealing with type A. So for the time being, you all forget and ignore this particular part of the diagram, because when we'll start with the topic, that time we'll study how the capital market is being segregated. So for the time being, just remember class, the money market includes 5 different topics: call money market, certificate of deposit market. There are 4 C's: commercial paper market, commercial bill market, and treasury bill market. So let's see what the money market stands for. So let's have a look. Money market, the introduction. Money market is that market wherein the lending and borrowing of funds takes place for a short period of time. Now, when I say short period, what does it mean? Short period is nothing but it can vary from 1 day to 1 year. So basically, money market involves lending and borrowing of financial instruments which can be lended and borrowed for a short time period. That is, it can be for 1 day or 1 year. The financial instruments which are traded in this particular market can be easily converted into cash by saving time and value. So as you all know, class, this is a short-term loan. So a lot of time and money is not wasted. And if you want, you can easily convert it into shares. That means into cash. That means by selling off. If you are not satisfied, if you're not in a position to continue forward, you can sell off the assets, financial instrument to somebody else and get converted into cash, whatever money is there. The important feature of this particular market is this market is really very important from the financial point of view, as it is very helpful in fulfilling very short and short-term financing needs of the companies, banks, institutions, and government. So as you can see, very short term is 1 day, 15 days, 1 month, correct? And short term can be stretched up to a period of 1 year. So that is why this market is very, very, very important. This market is useful for financial assets, which are close substitute for money. As we saw, the financial instruments can be easily converted into cash. So this market is very suitable for such kind of financial instruments. Some of the examples may be commercial papers, treasury bills, T-bills, etc. So don't worry, class, we'll be covering all these topics in detail in our next video. For the time being, just focus on what is the meaning of money market and what are the features, functions of money market and who all are involved in this. So class, a quick revision. It is usually for short-term period. 1 year से लेके 1 day का भी होता है. Here you can easily convert the financial instruments into cash. And this is very, very important for that market, which are close substitutes for money. So the examples which I have given over here is commercial papers, treasury bills, etc. All right. So moving forward with the next video, what are the features of money market? Now let's see what features are included in this particular market, or what are the features or characteristics. Now, as you all know, class, financial market acts as an intermediary, a link, a bridge between investors and borrowers. मतलब एक तरफ देने वाले, एक तरफ लेने वाले, और ये possibility इनको मिलाने वाला financial market है. So, money market के features क्या-क्या है? Let us see. The funds borrowed and lent in the money market are for short term. This we saw just now. The maximum period for which the funds are traded in the market is 1 year and minimum is 1 day. It is a wholesale market for short-term debt as the transaction volume is large. So you can say ये एक ऐसा wholesale market है जहाँ पे short-term debts trade होते हैं. Okay, as the transaction volume is very large. Usually people, corporates, government, they don't wait for years. They want maybe the needs will be variable types, constant nahi rahenge. So that is why the transaction volume is large, and because of that, this is considered as a wholesale market for short-term debt. So I will clear with the first two features. The time period is short, usually maximum up till 1 year, and it is considered as a wholesale market for short-term debts, as the transaction volume is very large. Continuing with the next feature of money market, pay attention. Trading may take place over the telephone, after which written confirmation is done by way of emails. So you can have telephonic conversations, you can talk on the phone, and later on, if you all are agreed and done with the deal, it is confirmed by writing written, that is in the form of emails, and it is sent. The participants of money market include RBI, commercial banks, the mutual funds companies, financial institutions, primary dealers, and corporates. So you have a separate answer on this topic class, which are the participants of money market. So for the time being, just remember the participants include, as they told, RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, which is the central bank of India. Mutual funds. So you must have heard these names of mutual funds companies: Reliance, ICICI Prudential. Then you have Motilal Oswal, SBI Mutual Funds, Kotak, Axis Bank, and all the commercial banks. So which are the commercial banks which is usually made for the public? Canara Bank, Union Bank, Bank of Baroda, IDBI, SBI, State Bank of Mysore, Indian Overseas. These are all commercial banks. So we can say all these are participants of money market. All right. So no worries, we are covering this answer separately in the next session. So up till now, we have finished 4 features of money market class. I hope you all are clear with that particular feature. Moving forward with the next feature, pay attention. There is an impersonal relationship between the participants of the money market. So the relationship is impersonal. There is nothing personal. It is related only to the trading part. लेना देना है, उतना ही relationship maintain किया जाता है. The money market has got no geographical area. That is, there is no fixed place for carrying out the transaction. As we saw, कोई एक specific market नहीं है. It can be done over the telephone. It can be done sitting at home online. कोई ऐसा चार दीवारी या building नहीं है specific wherein all these type of transaction takes place. So there is no specific geographical area for it. Moving forward and continuing with the features. The next topic is the instruments of money market can be easily converted into cash or have very short maturity periods. Moreover, the return on investment is also low. So ये logically correct हुआ ना? अगर आपका maturity period is for a short time, that is 6 months or say 1 year, so definitely the returns which you're getting will also be low. Because if your time of period, maturity period is less, how can you expect you can get more returns out of it? है ना? So basically, the money market may, yes, you can easily convert it into cash, but the returns are very low. Major segments of money market are, as we saw, 5 type के 5 important segments है, which we'll be covering later on. अभी के लिए you'll just remember the name, that is call money market, certificate of deposits, treasury bill market, commercial bill market, and commercial paper market. These are the 5 important segments about which we'll be learning in the next set of videos. So as you can see, treasury bill, maturity period up to 1 year भी होता है. You have treasury note, which is maturity period of 1 to 10 years. And then there is a treasury bond, which is for more than 10 years. So agar if it is up till 1 year, it is called as a treasury bill. If it is between 1 to 10 years, it is called as a treasury note. And if it is beyond 10 years, it is called as a treasury bond. Now what is certificate of deposit? How it works? Shortcut में लिखा है. Put in a lump sum of money. Lump sum means एक थोड़ा बड़ा amount you have to put. Wait a specified period of time. You have to wait till the maturity. And then you can withdraw your money plus the interest. You can say kind of FD, fixed deposit. But fixed deposit usually again ranges 1 year, 24 months, 36 months, depend करता है. Certificate of deposit is usually for 1 year. जैसे हमने देखा, it gets covered under money market. Then you have commercial paper, as you can see यहाँ पे लिखा है. Rupees 20,000. It is made on 16 December 1926. On demand, we promise, promissory note है ये, to pay at the Imperial Bank of India so and so amount of order for value received. The sum of rupees 20,000 only with interest thereon from the date at the rate of so and so interest % per annum. So class, I hope you all must have studied accountancy में bills of exchange, correct? आपने फॉर्मेट पढ़ा होगा, हाउ टू मेक बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज, ड्रॉवर, ड्रॉवी, पेई, करेक्ट. सो उसी काइंड का सिमिलर होता है ये कमर्शियल पेपर भी. So we'll be learning and covering all the topics in detail. Today the focus of our topic was what are the features of money market and what is the meaning of money market. And I hope you are clear with the type A part. Still the topic is not yet over. In the next lecture we are going to study what are the participants who all are involved in money market. जवाब तो आप लोगों को आता है. Just now we saw RBI, commercial banks, mutual funds, दूसरे financial institutions, corporates, etc. So that topic we'll be covering in the next chapter, next session. So till then, take care class, stay safe, and if any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And a small request, if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and forward the link to all your friends. So till then, take care, stay safe. I stop here for today and thank you so much for listening to me.